Standard reduction potential of copper is greater than hydrogen and of hydrogen is greater than zinc. तो जब हम कॉपर को H plus आयन से रिएक्ट कराएंगे, then H plus ion will not take electrons from copper. It will not oxidize copper because the reduction potential of hydrogen is less than copper. So hydrogen has lesser tendency to accept electrons than copper. In comparison to copper, hydrogen has lesser tendency to accept electrons. So it will not take electrons from copper. So this reaction will not take place. On the other hand, if H plus ion is present with zinc, the reaction between zinc and H plus ions, reduction potential of hydrogen is greater than zinc. Means in comparison to zinc, hydrogen has greater tendency to accept electron. So H plus ions will take electrons from zinc and will get reduced to hydrogen, and zinc will get oxidized to Zn2 plus ions. On the other hand, when Cu2 plus ions are made to react with hydrogen gas, in that case, since copper has greater tendency to accept electron than hydrogen, Cu2 plus ions will take electrons from hydrogen and get reduced to neutral copper atoms, and hydrogen will get oxidized to H plus ions. तो इसमें क्या होगा? Cu2 plus ions will take electrons from hydrogen and will change into neutral copper atoms, and hydrogen will get oxidized to H plus ion. When copper reacts with HNO3, then what happens? When copper reacts with HNO3, it changes to Cu2 plus ion. अब HNO3 में भी H plus ions है और NO3 minus ions है. But here this H plus ion is not oxidizing copper. It is the nitrate ion which oxidizes copper to Cu2 plus ion. So H plus ion will never get reduced by copper. Copper will not react with H plus ion. On the other hand, zinc reacts with acids liberating hydrogen gas because zinc is oxidized by H plus ion. H plus ion takes electrons from zinc and gets reduced to hydrogen. Zinc gets oxidized to Zn2 plus ion. Copper is not oxidized by H plus ion. On the other hand, Cu2 plus ions, when they are made to react with hydrogen gas, Cu2 plus gets reduced to copper atom and hydrogen gets oxidized to H plus ion. And the reason is copper has greater tendency to get reduced or to accept electron than hydrogen, and hydrogen has greater tendency to get reduced or to accept electron than zinc. This will be 2H plus and here it will be only H2.